Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change margins in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress site. At the top right corner, click the Login button and continue with your Google account. From the dashboard, look for the quick link labeled Edit Site and click it. This takes you into the editing interface where you can customize your site without using code. Once inside, locate the block you want to adjust. Blocks in WordPress are individual content sections. Click on the block to bring up editing options. On the right panel, open the Styles tab. Scroll until you find the Dimensions section. This is where you can adjust spacing, including padding and margins. Margins control the space outside the block. Adjust them as needed to create more room around your content or improve alignment. So that's basically how you can change margins in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.